This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the HomePod Mini physically ready and linking system settings. Place the speaker within 3 meters of your iPhone and plug it in. This ensures proximity for handoff and AirPlay. Once done, make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled because the HomePod uses both for discovery and streaming. Sign into the same Apple ID and enable handoff so devices can share audio and controls. This simplifies pairing and maintains continuity. You now pair and select the HomePod for audio. Open the Home app and tap the plus icon to add an accessory. Follow the on-screen prompts and hold your iPhone near the HomePod to transfer Wi-Fi and Apple ID settings. Once added, the Home app confirms the device. Then, when you want direct audio, open Control Center, tap AirPlay, and choose HomePod as the output. Doing this routes iPhone audio to the speaker, while keeping Siri and HomeKit functions intact. You finish by testing and refining the connection. Play music and confirm sound comes from the HomePod. Adjust volume either on the iPhone with the physical tap controls or ask Siri for fine control. Remember, AirPlay is the recommended path rather than classic Bluetooth because it preserves quality and device features. If things go wrong, reboot both the HomePod and your iPhone, ensure both are on the same network, and retry the Add Accessory flow. This usually clears discovery and handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.